Hi everyone, my name is Greg. Welcome to San Diego Food Truck Pros, where we build and repair food trucks and trailers. Everything we build comes with a 1-year warranty from us and a 3-year warranty on all the equipment from the manufacturer. We cover all your licensing, health permits, all that's needed to get you on the road and in business. Tell you what, folks, let me take you out to our finishing line and show you some of the work we're doing right now. This is where all the magic starts. Right here, you can see a framing in the background. And of course, this is where we install the equipment. Back here is all our equipment for bending all the metals. All the steel is done right here on the premises. Everything is done in our factory. Okay, folks, come on in. This is our finishing line here. And as you can see, we have a charcoal grill here. We have a 2-unit burner here, flat top grill, deep fryer, dual steam table, our cold case for salads and such, working board, side-by-side refrigerator freezer. Over here we have a 3-compartment sink, also all stainless steel. We have a hand washing sink underneath here. Lots of storage. Storage is a big thing. We give you plenty of storage. More storage. The storage compartments are 27 inches deep. These are your serving windows. And over here, this is a Greek-themed food truck. And we have the Euro cooker right here, right next to another steam table right here. As you can see, everything here is stainless steel. We also have LED lights throughout. We also have a speaker system for music up here for outside the food truck. And now I'd like to take you to another food truck just to show you the different configuration. Now this one over here is also an 18-foot. However, it does have a different configuration because of the client's needs. If you come in here, you'll see we have the deep fryer right here next to the 2-unit burner, a smaller flat grill here, and a big workstation here. Next to the workstation is the salad cooler, and next to that, of course, the same as we had in the other, the side-by-side refrigerator freezer. Over here we have the 3-compartment sink. And in this one, the hand washing sink is up here. If you remember, the other one was down below. This gives us more storage here. We have more storage down below here. And this continues on for more storage. This one has an ice cream freezer in it. Now we can do ice cream and dessert truck. We do all kinds of different configurations according to the client's needs. We can help you get into this fantastic business. It's the American dream for everyone to have their own business, and we can help you meet that dream. Feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to present any configuration you need and pricing. Just contact us and we will help you.